Hey friends, let's see today's current affair. The first headline is Mutual Recognition Agreement. In a short, you can say MRA. India and Australia. India and Australia have formed a joint working group to explore the possibility of MRA. MRA, Mutually Recognition Agreement, right? That would facilitate Indian whiskey makers access to the Australian market. तो क्या फैसिलिटेट करेगा? इंडियन विस्की मेकर्स को एक्सेस करेंगे ऑस्ट्रेलियन मार्केट में, राइट? इट्स अ फॉर्मल अग्रीमेंट बिटवीन टू और मोर कंट्रीज और ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर्स. नेक्स्ट इज चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद बर्थ एनिवर्सरी. ऑन जुलाई 23rd we commemorate the birth anniversary of Chandrasekhar Azad, an iconic and fearless freedom fighter of India. Next is Bal Gangadhar Tilak birth anniversary. Prime Minister of India has paid tributes to Bal Gangadhar Tilak on his Jayanti on 23rd July 2023. Tilak joined the Indian National Congress in 1890. Let's see another headline. World Frazzle X Day 2023. The World Frazzle X Awareness Day is marked on 22nd July every year. Started in 2021 to raise awareness about the rare of genetic illness. तो जेनेटिक इलनेस के बारे में अवेयरनेस करने के लिए इसे स्टार्ट किया गया था. फ्रेजल एक्स और मार्टिन बेल सिंड्रोम, यू कैन से, राइट? लेट्स सी अनदर हेडलाइन ऑफ द डे. नेशनल टेली मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोग्राम, या टेली यू कैन से, launched during October 2022, has received over 2 lakh sales. Its aim to provide free tele-mental health services all over the country around the clock. There are 42 active tele-med cells across 31 states and union territories. Right? Next is Cannabis Medicine Project. Union Minister of State, Science and Technology said that Jammu is going to pioneer India's first cannabis medicine project. Let's see another and last topic. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana latest data. Launch दिन तो इसे लॉन्च किया गया था 2016 में and replaced all the prevailing ill insurance scheme in India. इसका एम क्या है? To support production in agriculture by providing affordable crop insurance to ensure comprehensive risk over for crops of farmer against all non-preventable natural risk. Thank you. These are all important topics of the day for exam purposes.